What is a professional butler? Butlers have been around since the days of wealthy English lords and ladies, and the role has evolved over the years to accommodate the needs of the modern household. While the title butler is sometimes used to describe any household employee, the term is properly reserved for those who meet the high standards and rigorous requirements of a professional butler. How much money do professional butlers earn? The salaries for butlers can vary drastically based on their experience, the size of the home they are working in, and the type of service they are providing. Some butlers earn a salary of around $65,000 a year, while others can earn as much as $85,000 and more. Butlers who work in smaller homes or provide less specialized services may earn less, while those who work in large estates or for very wealthy families may earn more. Butlers are usually paid a salary, but they may also receive additional benefits such as housing, health insurance, and a car. Butlers typically receive between 1 and 2 weeks of vacation per year, and they may also be given paid days off for special occasions such as Christmas or New Year's. So, what does it take to become a professional butler? First and foremost, it's important to have a passion for service and a commitment to meeting the needs of your clients. Butlers must be able to anticipate their clients' needs and be on call 24/7 to attend to their every request. In addition, butlers must have a vast knowledge of household operations, from cooking and cleaning to laundry and child care. Butler job duties vary depending on the needs of the household, but common responsibilities include serving meals, cleaning up after meals, providing snacks and drinks, tending to the household pets, making beds, doing laundry, and running errands. Butlers may also be called upon to perform more specialized tasks such as packing and unpacking luggage, arranging transportation, and booking reservations. If you're interested in becoming a professional butler, there are a few things you can do to prepare yourself. First, attend a butler training program or earn a certification from an accredited school. The Butlers Association of Europe offers a certification program that is recognized around the world, and the International Butler Academy offers a variety of courses ranging in length from 1 day to 6 weeks. In addition, it's important to gain experience in the hospitality industry, work as a waiter or server in a high-end restaurant, or serve as an assistant to a butler or household manager. Job prospects for professional butlers are good, especially if you have a certification from a reputable institution. With the right skills and experience, you can find work in a luxury hotel, on a private yacht, or in the home of a wealthy family. In summary, a professional butler can earn a 6-figure salary and enjoy a career with a great deal of stability. Butlers typically receive generous benefits, including room and board, as well as opportunities for career growth.